Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image and making sure it's editable. Double-click the background to turn it into a regular layer so adjustments apply. Once done, confirm the image is in RGB mode because inversion behaves predictably there. Next, make a quick duplicate of the layer with Ctrl+J or Command+J so you can revert or mask changes later. This protects your original while you experiment and gives you a non-destructive workflow that's easy to undo if needed. Now apply the actual invert. For a quick flip, use Image Adjustments Invert, which immediately swaps colors. This is destructive to the active layer. Alternatively, add an Invert Adjustment layer from Layer New Adjustment Layer, Invert to keep it non-destructive and editable. Once the invert is live, you can use the layer mask to paint areas back to normal or lower opacity for a subtle effect. Make sure to toggle the visibility to compare before and after. Finish by reviewing the result at 100% and adjusting levels or curves if contrast shifted during inversion. You can add a levels or curves adjustment layer above the invert to fine-tune brightness. When satisfied, export via File Export as or save a PSD to retain layers. If colors appear incorrect, make sure the document's color profile and image mode are appropriate. Convert to sRGB for web. And if something goes wrong, disable the invert layer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.